We are working on problem number 6, the right side view. It starts out pretty basic, just like every other one. We know that the height of the front view is the same as the height of the right side view. We know that we skip one block between the views, and we can count to see that we are 3 blocks wide for this particular project. Ordinarily, I would draw on those lines. In this case, I'm not going to. Let's take a moment and look about what views we see. Plane B is visible to us, and plane BB is visible to us. If we look at our front view, though, we're going to notice something. Imagine you're looking at the front view, but you're also kind of imagining standing here and looking at the right side of this front view. You can view plane B, and you can view these top 2/3 of plane BB. But at this point, this knoll right here comes up and covers the bottom of where BB is. Now you can see from your isometric view that BB exists, right, and it's 3 blocks tall, but that bottom block is going to be hidden by this here from our right side view. Another way to look at it, BB is 1, 2, 3 blocks tall. Plane B is 1, 2, 3 blocks tall. However, 3 plus 3 is 6, obviously, but if we come over to our right side view, we will notice that our right side view is only 5 blocks tall. So that means one of those blocks is being compressed, and what's happening is BB, the bottom of it, is being hid by this extension right here. So B is pretty simple. We just draw on a 3x3. But I want to focus on BB first because I think it'll become clear. You can see the top of BB as you look from the right side view. So let's draw that in. You can also view the top 2 blocks of BB in the right side view. If you're looking at this from the right side, you'd be able to see those top 2 blocks. So I'm going to draw those in. But this last block down here is actually hidden from your view. And in drafting, what we do is we still draw it, but we use a different type of line. And we use a dashed line to show views that are hidden. Now, we still know they exist, we still know they're there, but we draw them in with a dashed line. Okay? And this we are going to identify as plane BB. You only identify planes that are visible to you. I'm now going to draw on plane B. I'm going to draw the bottom of plane B. I can count up 3 blocks, okay? And I can draw on the top of plane B. Did I get that right? My apologies. That's not supposed to be there. I hope that doesn't confuse you guys. There's B. It's only visible by 2 blocks. And now my right side view, I'm going to put in the sides. But watch what happens. As I come up with a visible line, that visible line covers the hidden line that was previously there. That is because, and I'm just going to draw over here, if you have a dashed line and then you draw a solid line on top of it, is the dashed line visible anymore? No, of course not. So down here, our 3x3, again, this section right here is a mistake, don't worry about that. Your 3x3, plane B, is visible and is the correct height. Now that dashed line right there is at the same height as CC. So that dashed line actually represents the edge of CC because plane CC is hidden from your view. So the dashed line represents plane CC. This line, it's the same height as this line, and represents plane CCC, and this line is the same as this line, and that represents plane C. So again, the tricky part about this is that part of a plane was hidden from us, so we drew it in with hidden lines. 2 of those 3 hidden lines were covered up, and only 1 remained, and that hidden line represents the edge of plane CC, which intersected the bottom of plane BB. Okay, good job. That's it. You guys are off and running.